Are you tired of spending hours creating individual t-shirt designs on Etsy? Well, get ready to unlock your t-shirt design potential with Canva and ChatGPT. In this video, we'll show you how you can master those two powerful tools to create bulk t-shirt designs in no time. Using Canva, and we're going to be using ChatGPT to help us get a list of popular dog breeds, because we're going to be making 50 t-shirt designs for dog lovers. So first we need to come up with a scalable design. So a scalable design is like a template that you can use repeatedly just by changing specific elements like words or phrases within that template. So one of my favorite YouTubers is Ryan Hogue, and Ryan, his YouTube channel every week, he talks about the top 5 niches of the week. And I love that that video that he publishes every week, because it just takes you through what people are actually buying, and he walks you through those top 5 niches. So a few weeks ago he showed this t-shirt here, using that as my template to create 50 t-shirt designs for dog lovers. So that's the first step. We've found our scalable design. The next step is actually creating the design template. So we're going to head over to Canva and we'll create a design. So for t-shirts, I use a custom design, and I use this one 4500 by 5400 pixels. Type T and get our text box in there. And the retro fonts are really popular, so I'm just going to use those. And the one I found is called Bright Retro. What we need to do now is to go to ChatGPT. Please give me 50 popular dog breeds that I can put on a t-shirt for dog lovers, and ChatGPT will do its thing. All we have to do now is to copy those 50, copy them onto a Google Sheet. And once we have our Google Sheet, there you go. We've got all our dog breed names in there. Then we go to File, and we're going to download this as a comma separated values sheet. So we'll do that, and that will save it onto our desktop. So we go back into Canva, go to our design. And so what we're going to do, we're using those dog breeds that we've got in our CSV file. We're going to replace the term here, dog, with those different breed names. So what you then do is you highlight that word dog, and for me, because I've used this feature before, it's called the bulk create feature. It appears right at the bottom there within Canva. If you haven't used it before, you'll find it under apps. So for me, I'll go to bulk create. So you have 3 options to either enter your data manually or upload a CSV file, which is what we have. Hit upload CSV. We upload our CSV. Open it, and then now we see we've got our highlighted word there, dog, and we've now imported the CSV into Canva. So what we need to do now is to connect that dog to all the data, which is all the dog breed names in our file. So you can see when I click the connect there, we bring in the first dog breed name from our file. I'll just remove these extra characters. So that's our first dog breed name. And then to bring in the rest of them, we come here to continue, and then it will show us the full list of dog breeds. We say generate, And then what Canva will do is it will generate 49 pages of our template with the different dog breed names per page. And all you need to do now is to adjust the design to fit, to meet how you want it to be shown on your t-shirt or on your sweatshirt or tote bag. And once you're happy with how they all look, so I'd keep going and adjusting those to suit. Once I'm happy with that, I would come here to share, and I'd now go download and download with a transparent background, download those 50 pages, and that's my 50 designs that I then bring to Printify if I'm using a print-on-demand supplier like Printify, or I'll download those designs, use them on my mock-ups, load my listings into Etsy, or with this design, I can actually download that, bring that into Cricut Design Space and cut the design and make my t-shirts that way. So let me know if you want another video where I actually show you the next step after this, but I hope that this helps.